Okay, so what I'm gonna make a video today of is showing cutting out this piece of sheet metal here where the battery sits. It's got some corrosion starting in it here, starting to bubble up between it and the reinforcement underneath. So what we'll do is we'll cut that out of there and then replace just that one piece of sheet metal, because the rest of this panel is really solid and I don't feel it necessary to get into any of it. So no power. Got it rebuilt and it's still junk. Okay, grab a different cutter here. Can't reach in there a little farther. So now what we'll do here is separate this off of this lower reinforcement, check it over, see how much rust is in it, see if we need to go ahead and replace that, make a new top panel here, weld it in, and then re-spot weld that to the bottom. Then we'll be good to go. So once I get that done, I'll go ahead and make another video showing you guys how to put this back together. Thanks. Be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks.